Hello viewers, welcome. Let's find answer to this. This is a question I got from a follower. He wants us to find sec square, sec theta, cosec theta, and cot theta if tan theta is given as what? 7 on 24, and the angle theta is a reflex angle. So that reflex angle simply means that it will be in the acute, obtuse, reflex. So to be in what? The third quadrant. All right, so let's get into this. So the first thing first, since we are looking for sec, which is the inverse of cos, we are looking for cosec inverse of what? Sine. That simply means that we need the sine and cos also in terms of fraction. So I'll be using the Pythagoras theorem. So if this is the theta, we know the so 12, right? Where this is tan, opposite, which is the opposite, 7. 12, which is the adjacent, and that will be what? 24. So we need to find the value of y in order to be able to find all the trig identities. Using the Pythagoras theorem, your y square will be equal to 7 square plus what? 24 square. So keeping y, we can find the square root of 7 square, which will be what? 49. So the 25 square, 576. Then y will be equal to, if you add this, we are going to have, this is 500 plus 110, 13, so we'll have 625, and the square root of 625 is what? 25. So that simply means that the longest side, let me clean it, will be 25. So therefore, your sine of the angle theta is going to be, so is that not it? Opposite side over the hypotenuse. And the opposite is what? 7 out of what? 25. Then let's go for cot, which is what? Cos theta. And theta is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse, right? Good. So this is what we are looking for. But the question says that the angle theta is a reflex angle. So if you take your Cartesian plane, or better still, if you want to find a reflex angle, it's an angle that is what? Between 180 and 270. So this angle is going to be here, you know. This is a reflex angle. So the angle theta is in this quadrant. So first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, all silly tan cast or cast all this way. Simply means that all the trigonometric functions or the ratios are positive in this quadrant. Only sine is positive here. Only tan is positive, and only cos is positive. So if only tan that is positive, then it means that the sine which we are having here will be negative, and the cos will also be negative. So it means this is going to be negative 7 on what? 25. Negative 24 on what? 25. So this is the angle we are going to use, because the theta is not in the first quadrant, so not a positive value. The sine is also not in the second quadrant or the fourth quadrant, so we are going to go along with that. So the first question, we have to find sec theta. I believe you know sec is the inverse of what? Cos, right? So this is going to be 1 over cos theta. So whenever I see cos, I go in there and put the value. So this is going to be 1 out of 24 over 25. Don't forget, this is negative. If you are dividing by a division, the second or the last denominator becomes the numerator. So this is going to be negative 25 over what? 24. So sec theta is negative 25 on 24 in terms of the reflex angle. Then the second one, which will be cosec theta, which is also 1 over what? Sine theta. So wherever you see sine, you put in negative 7 on 25. So let me write this here. 1, which is this, over negative 7 over what? 25. I believe so. This will also go up and multiply. So we'll be having negative 25 over what? 7. So this is going to be the cosec theta. You can find the cot theta, the expression for that, which is also a reciprocal of our tan. So that one, the answer will just be the inverse or the reciprocal of what you are giving in the question. Let me see what you can get from this one. You can share your answers with us on the comment section. I believe this is clear. Like, share, and comment. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.